Hi guys! Ma-apartment tour kita sa akong ginarandahan diri sa Station 3, Boracay. So, kitchen, complete amenities na di guys ang apartment ni. May ara bathroom, living room, balcony, and my big TV. And this is my bedroom. My small TV, my aircon, big cabinet, and the bathroom is have a hot shower and cold shower and bidet complete. So, the rent here is 35,000 plus utilities. The utilities is like, let's say, 10,000. So, nabayaran namin ng husband ko is 45,000. So, ang 35,000 is sa unit lang na. Tapos, ang 10,000 na, amo na sa tubig and electricity. Pag may, naman, sobra, ibalik man na sa imo sang ga-manage diri. And when it comes naman sa beddings is, every weeks, si Ma'am Irish naga-change. So, si Ma'am Irish is super nice. Kung may needs ka sa iyang manage yung apartment, i-message mo lang siya. Tapos, ara na dayon. So, for me, ang apartment ni worth for its price. So, thank you for watching.